Listen, if you want a recession-resistant service business where customers literally need you every day, this video is for you. The U.S. automobile towing industry is worth about $11.3 billion in 2026. Vehicles break down, accidents happen, and cities rely on towing services 24 hours a day. Today, I'll show you exactly how to start a tow truck business. We'll also cover niches, trucks, licensing, insurance, costs, profits, marketing, and real growth strategies. Would you start with roadside assistance, accident towing, or vehicle transport? Comment your plan below. Tow truck businesses provide roadside assistance, accident recovery, vehicle transport, illegal parking removal, and breakdown services. Demand stays consistent because cars and trucks constantly need emergency help, regardless of the economy. Insurance companies, municipalities, auto repair shops, dealerships, and private drivers all rely on local towing companies. Urban areas generate high daily call volume, while highways and rural regions offer long-distance towing opportunities. Many small operators begin with one truck, focusing on breakdown assistance or private property towing before expanding into contracts with police departments and insurance networks. You can start with a small yard or parking area to store your tow truck and recovered vehicles. Register your business, get a commercial driver license if required, and apply for towing permits and insurance coverage. You will need general liability insurance, on-hook coverage for vehicles being towed, and commercial auto insurance. Install GPS tracking and dispatch software so you can respond quickly to service calls. A basic office setup includes a phone line, scheduling software, invoicing tools, and secure vehicle storage space. Build relationships with repair shops, tire shops, dealerships, and local law enforcement agencies to receive regular referrals. If you want help finding verified truck suppliers or equipment partners, check the link below and our team can guide you step by step. The most common starter vehicle is a used flatbed tow truck, because it can transport many vehicle types safely. A used flatbed truck typically costs between $30,000 and $60,000, depending on condition and mileage. Wheel lift tow trucks are more affordable and ideal for city towing and parking enforcement, usually ranging from $20,000 to $45,000 used. Heavy-duty wreckers for large trucks and buses can cost $80,000 to over $150,000 and are usually purchased after gaining experience and contracts. Additional equipment includes towing chains, winches, safety lights, cones, and jump start tools, which can cost around $1,500 to $4,000. Dispatch software and communication systems may cost $30 to $100 monthly, depending on features. Startup costs for a small single truck towing business typically range from $35,000 to $70,000, including truck purchase, permits, insurance, equipment, and marketing. Tow services usually charge between $75 and $150 for a basic local tow, and higher rates for accident recovery or long-distance transport. Roadside services such as jump starts, tire changes, or lockouts can bring in $50 to $100 per call. A single truck handling 5 to 10 service calls daily can generate $500 to $1,200 in daily revenue, depending on pricing and location. Monthly profit after fuel, insurance, and maintenance may range from $5,000 to $12,000. Many businesses recover their initial investment within 8 to 14 months with consistent service calls and strong contracts. Apply for local towing permits, commercial vehicle registration, and safety inspections required in your region. Brand your truck with high visibility decals, reflective safety markings, and a clear business phone number. Use professional uniforms and safety gear to build trust with customers and law enforcement. A simple but strong brand helps your truck stand out during emergencies and increases direct call volume. Set up professional invoicing systems and digital payment options to speed up transactions and improve customer experience. Register your business on Google Maps so drivers searching for emergency towing services can find you quickly. Build relationships with auto repair shops, body shops, tire centers, and car dealerships for referral partnerships. Contact property managers and apartment complexes to offer private parking enforcement towing services. Sign up with roadside assistance networks and insurance dispatch platforms to receive regular calls. Create short videos showing safe towing procedures and recovery work to build trust on social media. Distribute business cards to local mechanics and roadside service providers to expand your referral network. A real example comes from small independent towing companies across the United States that started with one used flatbed truck and grew by building strong relationships with repair shops and insurance companies. Many operators began with local breakdown services and gradually expanded into police rotation lists and commercial contracts, eventually building fleets of multiple trucks and drivers. Industry growth stories and operator journeys can be found through resources like Tow Industry Week and American Towman publications, which highlight how consistent service and reliability help small towing businesses scale successfully. Once you reach consistent daily call volume, hire additional drivers and add another truck to expand service hours. Introduce heavy-duty towing or vehicle transport services for higher-paying contracts. Install advanced dispatch software to automate call routing and reduce response time. Partner with insurance companies, municipalities, and logistics firms for long-term service agreements. Over time, you can operate multiple trucks covering different zones, increasing revenue while maintaining efficient operations. That's your complete roadmap to starting a tow truck business. With steady demand, essential services, and strong earning potential, towing can become a powerful long-term business when you focus on safety, reliability, and fast response times. Comment below what towing service you would start first, and check the link to connect with our team for truck sourcing help, setup guides, and growth strategies.